Dialogue. Talking about going back to school. Vocabulary. No pain, no gain. Working hard for something.
Calm before the storm. A quiet period before a difficult time period.
Weather the storm. Make it through or survive a difficult situation.
Hitting the books. Studying.
Make some bank. To earn lots of money.
Good head on your shoulders. Smart/intelligent.
As busy as a beaver. Working a lot or very hard. Jay and Lily are talking about going back to school.
I'm thinking about going back to school, hitting the books again. Am I crazy? I haven't been in school for years.
Well, as I like to say, no pain, no gain. If you're going to make some bank at a new job afterwards, then why not?
That's what I thought too. I'm going to enjoy the calm before the storm, though. I'm going to be as busy as a beaver once it starts up in September.
Oh, you'll weather the storm just fine. You've got a good head on your shoulders. Let's get a beer tonight. You can tell me more about your plan.